In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to repost an Instagram story if you are tagged in the story or if you are not tagged in the story, because I see a lot of people want to repost an Instagram story, but they can't find an option to do that. So that's why I made this video. So let me start with people who are tagged in the story. If you are tagged in the story, it's very easy to repost the Instagram story. Instagram allows you to do that very easily. All you have to do is click on the friend's story or anyone's story if you are tagged. And after that, you can see here at the bottom, you can see here add to your like I said, guys, you can click the arrow at the very bottom right, and then you can share the Instagram. You can add stickers like you normally do when you post your Instagram story. You can do everything you want. Like I said, just click on the profile on the story, and then at the very bottom you can see here add to your story at the very bottom. So that's exactly how you can post, how you can repost an Instagram story if you are tagged in the story. But if you are not tagged, let's say I want to repost an Instagram story of this person. So whenever I try, when I click three little dots in the top right, as you can see here, there is no option where it says repost an Instagram story. But there are a few solutions for this. All you have to do, guys, is open the profile of the person and see if they posted the same story as a post on their Instagram. For example, this one, you can just click this share at the very at the bottom, this share button here. You click it, and you will find here in the top add to your story. So you can just repost this as your story. You can just click on add to your story in the top, and now you can add to the story. But if you can't find the post, you can just open the story. You can open the story, and in the top right, you want to click three little dots in the top right and click on copy link. And after that, you want to go to Google or Safari and search for download Instagram stories and put the link there, and you will be able to download the Instagram story and post it on your Instagram as your story. It's very easy and simple. So that's exactly what I do, guys. Hopefully this video helped you. If it does, please drop a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next video.